Hi, my name is Mike Pasek with Watermark & Company. We're a design renovate company here in Austin, Texas. And today we're going to talk about installing doors and windows. There are some key points when installing doors and windows, so take a look at this.
There are two distinct types of windows, replacement and new construction. You or your architect will need to determine which style your project requires. Depending on the nature of your project, both styles may be needed. Replacement style windows are used when you are replacing an existing window of the same dimensions. Installing replacement windows allows you to retain the existing framing, drywall, and exterior facade without the need for modifications. Room additions and new home construction that requires framing new walls will need new construction style windows. New construction windows have flanges on the sides of the window frame that are secured to the exterior wall sheathing during installation, as seen in this photo.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about exterior doors and installing windows. Now, before you can do that, you want to make sure you've got a good house wrap material. And then once the house wrap goes on, you can install the window or the door. And then after that, we want to install this membrane flashing that goes over the flanges, in this case of this window. The bottom piece goes on first, the side pieces go on second, and then the top piece goes on last, and that's going to create a waterproof system. So if water does get behind this facade, whether it's brick or some type of siding material, it's not going to get into the structure itself. It is going to shed right out the bottom. Now, when you're out purchasing windows or doing your research to buy windows, there's a couple things you want to look for. One, you want to look for the U factor and also the solar heat gain coefficient. In this case, we have a U factor of 0.28 for this window and a solar heat gain coefficient of 0.18. Those are the things you want to look for. Now, these ratings don't make any difference if the window leaks or if we have gaps around the window that allow air to come into the house or structure. So we want to use a good window and door foam sealer, and we do not want to use a gaps and cracks sealer. This will actually bind the window and blow out the jambs, and we'll have a lot of problems if we use this product. So we want to use a window and door sealer, foam sealer. So here we go.
When it comes to installing exterior doors, consider the following points. The types of exterior doors include wood, fiberglass, and steel. Residential doors are categorized by their swing, either right-hand swing or left-hand swing. You can easily determine a door's swing by placing your back to the hinge side of the door jamb and noting the direction of the swing. If the door swings to the right, it is a right-hand door. If it swings to the left, it is a left-hand door. For additional security for exterior doors, secure the deadbolt strike plate to the jamb with 3-inch screws, which are sure to penetrate a wood stud.
We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any questions about installing doors and windows, feel free to give us a call. Or if you have any questions about our design renovate process, we would be happy to talk to you about that as well. In the meantime, good luck with your renovation, and we'll see you on the next project.